Now I'm pretty sure at some point in our life we have all liked a YouTube video on YouTube. If you like me that have liked over 100,000, probably over 1 million videos on YouTube, you can actually get paid to like videos on YouTube. And just imagine that you were paid each time that you clicked the like button. Now there's actually a tool out there, a free tool that you can go and use to like YouTube videos and get paid for doing this. As you can see over here, they pay via Bitcoin, PayPal, and Perfect Money, which is all accepted worldwide. So if PayPal is not accepted in your country, go ahead and just use Bitcoin. You can do this as much as you want. You can do this again and again. You can do it on your smartphone, your tablet, or your PC. It doesn't matter. You can also do this from anywhere on the go, remotely, and make money from this on top of whatever you're doing at the moment. Whether you're working a 9 to 5, whatever it is, you can log onto your phone and make money with this. At the end of this video, if you stick with me until the end, I'll also show you a second tool that you can use to 4 to 5 times your earnings with this and make it completely passive on autopilot. But if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jay. I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing agencies. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. If you want to get a 25-minute completely free training on exactly what I do off of YouTube called drop servicing, which is a very similar concept to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping physical goods and products, we are now drop shipping rare high income skills that pay much more. The profits and the margins are much more than that of drop shipping, and the payouts are also much faster. So if you want to go and see a free training on exactly what I do and on my 6-figure bootcamp, head down below to the description and click on the first link on the description and you will see me there. And also if you want to get tons of giveaways, money giveaways, course giveaways, I am uploading a free course on my YouTube channel right here every single day on how you can make money online, reach those goals, improve a bit of your financial freedom, and teaching you to become an online entrepreneur. Definitely go down below and hit the subscribe button with the notifications on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video and course just like this one. So I quickly want to show you other people making money from this and cashing out instantly. You can see over here, these are people earning about $2.15, $1.74, $1.63, $3, $3, $1.50, $2.04. So you can see it ranges anywhere from $1.50 to about $3 for just liking YouTube videos. Now this may not seem like a lot of money, but over time, this adds up and can become quite a lot of money and become well over $1,000 if you just constantly keep liking YouTube videos and use this completely free tool. And not only you'll get paid to leave likes on YouTube videos, you can also get paid to leave like on Facebook videos, as well as Instagram posts, as well as Twitter posts, as well as likes on Pinterest pins, and also on Dropbox and Amazon as well. And just to show you that this website does indeed pay out in these 3 main ways, that being Bitcoin, PayPal, and Perfect Money as well. So these are 3 ways, at least all of them are accepted worldwide. So if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can go and use Bitcoin or Perfect Money. So Bitcoin is obviously an international digital currency that does not matter where you are. So you can get paid with this platform no matter where you are in the world. And the website that I'm talking about, guys, is called followfast.com. This is indeed the platform that is going to pay us for leaving likes on YouTube videos, as well as PayPal Money and as well as Bitcoins for doing so. So you can see over here, this website currently has been delivered over 123 million likes. 632,000 people like you have earned from this. Currently there's 2,900 people online. So this website is very reliable, it's growing fast, and the thing is, most people are using this just to grow their followers, but what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually use this to get paid for leaving these likes as well. And the way this works is extremely simple. All you're going to do is step number 1, you're going to join Follow Fast completely for free over here. You just click on join. Let me show you quickly. You're going to sign up with your username, email, password, and then the captcha. You just enter this PIN. You can join and you'll be signed into your account. Step number 2 is to view these different pages or YouTube videos. Leave likes on them. It depends on what action you choose. And then all you do is you use your points. You can cash that into PayPal Money, or you can use that to advertise. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll actually see they've been established since 2012. So they've been around for a while, for about 8 years now, nearly 9 years. So they've been around for a while, making a lot of people a lot of money online, liking different YouTube videos and doing these different tasks. So it's very reliable. It's a well-known website. It's not one of these websites that was just recently created to scam people. It's a legitimate website that has been around for nearly a decade, paying a lot of people online. And obviously, if it was some kind of scam, these websites usually only come up, last for about a couple of months or close to a year, steal people's money, and then you never hear from them again. Like I said, this website's been around for 9 years completely. I've personally earned from this website, cashed out from this website, so from my experience, I know that this is legitimate. And if you scroll down and click on payouts over here, you can actually see all the people earning from this. So you can see people over here earning from various different countries in the world: Bangladesh, India, United States, Australia, New Zealand. Everybody is earning from this from all over the world. So like I said, your country does not matter. And this is testimonials and proof of other people earning this on top of you as well. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see you can head over all the way to the 176 page. So you can see how many people have different earned from this. It goes all the way to page 176. So this is thousands and thousands of people that are getting paid to leave likes on YouTube videos. And the first step is you're going to click on join over here. Like I said, you're going to enter your username, your email, your password, your referral. So you just type in your username, for example, like that over there. I've just used this as my username. I've already created an account, so my password automatically fills out. Just enter your email, into your password, and you'll be able to click on join. When you've signed in, you'll be able to see that you will get 50 free points already. You'll see all the options over here and all the different tasks that you can go and complete, such as leaving likes on YouTube videos and getting paid PayPal money and Bitcoins for that. And also come over to daily bonuses over here, and you can perform, for example, over here, do 15 likes, click on a button below, and you can earn 1,000 daily points for leaving likes on different posts. You can also earn points every hour. So if you every hour do 3 hits or likes, you can win an extra 25 points. So every hour you can go like 3 videos, earn 25 points, and get paid even more bonuses on that. And if you click on cash out option over here, you can see that they offer mainly 2 different payment methods, mainly being Bitcoin and this second option over here. So I would obviously choose Bitcoin, as that is what's accepted worldwide, and it just gets paid to your Bitcoin wallet. From your Bitcoin wallet, you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Or alternatively, if you want to convert this Perfect Money or Bitcoin payment to PayPal, you can go and use this exchange over here called magneticexchange.com. They will explain each and every step that you need to do. And take a look at this. Also, the minimum payout system is extremely low. So you just need $1.5 for PayPal, $1.5 for Bitcoin, and $1.5 for Perfect Money. So it's not some ridiculous $20 to $100 limit that takes literally years to get. This can be earned in literally the first 10 to 20 minutes of doing this, and they pay out in 3 to 5 days. And remember, you can convert straight from your points to money, and your rates are very low, which is a great positive about this website. But now if you actually want to go out there and make money liking these YouTube videos, all you need to do is come over to the top over here, click on likes under the YouTube section. It'll open up a page like this, and take a look at this. You can go and like different YouTube videos. So this one over here, for 9 points, all you do is click on like. It's going to open up this YouTube video. You can just pause it over here, leave a like, and wait about a couple of seconds, about 15 seconds, and over here you can see my points have now accumulated to 59 points in literally the last few seconds of liking a YouTube video. And as you can see, guys, you can do this again and again. My points just went up to 66 points. You can go leave likes on all of these videos. You can click on load more pages over here, and it's going to constantly load up more and more pages of YouTube videos. So you can see this is now page 2. You can keep going and going and leave likes on all of these videos and keep making free Bitcoins and PayPal money from this. And the more points that you collect, the more money you can make from this. And it can't get more simple than that. Check this out again. I'm just going to click on like again. All you're going to do is just going to click pause, leave a like, come back to this platform. You'll see it will reload over here for you. And over here, you can see I got another 8 extra points. All you're going to do is, like I said, guys, go leave likes on all these videos. Just click on load more pages again and again and again, and go and do this over and over again. And if you want 2 to 3 times your earnings, also come over to Twitter likes, come over to Instagram likes, and come over to Facebook page likes. Go leave likes on all of these pages on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at the same time, and you can 4 times your earnings from this. All you want to do is hover your mouse on this little arrow, 2 arrows over here. I want you to scroll down and click on referrals over here. Here you can actually see you can basically invite people to this, get other people to leave likes on YouTube videos, and duplicate your points and earnings with this. And it's very easy to do this. But of course, guys, something like this is not going to pay a lot of money online. So what I do off of YouTube full time is what you call drop servicing, and I turn over about $700 to $1,000 per day. Now, I don't mean to flex with my earnings. I talk about results and I talk proof because I want to give you guys a reason to trust me, because this is what I take action with. I'll actually see over here is my 25-minute free training. I show you exactly what is inside my 6-figure bootcamp, how you can get over $19,000 worth of bonuses, how you can also get my done-for-you winning drop servicing agency that literally prints money for you, lifetime mentorship from me, and lifetime access to this bootcamp. And over here is a 25-minute free training on all of this. If you want to go and have a look at this free training, definitely head down below to the first link in the description, and I'll see you there.